InfoComm 2024 attracts integrators from all over the world, and I'm joined today by the Kinley team, represented by Frank, Joe, Vanessa, and Chico, to talk about their experience, not just in the US market, but at the show itself. So welcome guys, it's great to finally be speaking with you at last. Tell me about Kinley's role in the market here in the US. What is your real strategy and what really sets you apart from the competition?
You want to go with this one?
Oh yeah, we'll give it a shot. So thanks, Reese. Nice to meet you. I think Kinley's role in the market as a global integrator. We work with our Fortune 100 companies around their go-to-market strategy and what their objectives are in the space, and then we help them through a consultative approach to understand what their objectives are. So design, build, integrate, but then ultimately throughout the entire life cycle, bring it through a managed services experience as well. Right, so we work with them, understand those objectives, custom tailor the solutions, and bring it to the market.
And as you are a global company, you operate pretty much on every continent of the planet at the moment. Tell me a bit about your go-to-market strategy. What do you really be doing in this region?
So go-to-market, I'm going to hand over to Frank.
Pass it on back. Thanks, Joe. Yeah, so go-to-market, and we're talking US and global, yeah?
Sure.
So US market, we're making a concerted effort right now to really streamline what we're offering to the market. So trying to get to a more simplistic model with what we sell our customers, make them happier, attach our managed service platform to that. On a global scale, same thing, region by region. Going to enable our teams to sell cross-region, which is a sticking point today for us. So yeah, really excited for what's coming next.
Of course, and one thing I know about Kinley is that you're really focused on sustainability right now. There's been a lot of talk in the AV industry about sustainability, but not much action. Tell me a bit about Kinley's approach to sustainability in the US and globally.
Hi, nice to meet you. So related to sustainability, right, we're working with some of the manufacturers that provide the best longevity on products, right? During the pandemic, we did work with some manufacturers that didn't have a long lifespan of product lines. Some of the new product lines we're looking at are really designed and built to test the time. And that way we could get 5 to 7 year life cycles out of some of those products. In addition to some of the manufacturers that we work with, right, we're really grading and assessing them from a global product level perspective on how they use sustainability products, recycled products, packaging materials to really reduce cost and really help the environment.
Yeah, thank you. I know that recently we just did a materiality assessment as well, just so we can figure out how our resources are best utilized. We are using that research to drive our first comprehensive corporate social responsibility just release for consumption. That should be coming in the near future. And then beyond that, sustainability really starts in Kinley. We need to encourage our partners, our clients, everybody to have more focus on how their carbon footprint is having an impact, and so we're focusing on how like our offices, our vehicles, and we're taking a really comprehensive approach to everything.
Of course.
If you don't mind, I'd like to add to that too.
Yeah.
I think one of the other things that benefits Kinley as being a global partner is that obviously sustainability is much more prevalent abroad. In the US, not as much, right? So we bring that value proposition to our clients locally in the US, and we're helping them drive their thought leadership around that same topic. So we're very well positioned for that. We're excited about it. To Vanessa's point, Chico's points, we're consuming that today within the US. So we permeate that back out to the market, and it just helps us tremendously.
I couldn't agree more. We all know that it's a global issue that requires global action, and it's not going to have any impact or effect if one corner of the market is taking action and others aren't. So it's great to see Kinley leading that charge. But to really bring us back to ground zero here, let's talk about the show, InfoComm 2024. How has the show been for you guys? What's been your experience, and what have been your key takeaways from the show floor?
So for me, Reese, I think one of the key takeaways is, number one, we've got about 24 clients out here. So bringing our clients through these exclusive VIP tours with our strategic partners and our distributors, really good stimulating conversations. We're seeing that in the market. A lot of clients were thrust into COVID and they had to make rash decisions. They just had to get technology turned up. So now, a couple years later, they're looking at that and they're realizing, well, we need other business objectives to be solved through that. And this conference is the place to bring those decision makers together with the integrators and with the OEMs and the manufacturers to realize that potential. So it's really, really exciting. Yeah.
Excellent. Well, it's great to see you've enjoyed the show this year, and we look forward to seeing what else Kinley is doing in this ever-changing and evolving market. Thank you very much.
Thanks, Reese. Appreciate it. Thank you.